Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Friday 24th of June. And I talked about Solana previously. I've been talking about it these days in the videos and discussions right now. Technically speaking, Solana is still looking to come here to $44.27, but I highly doubt if that's gonna stop there. Okay, I do think that Solana is still looking to actually go higher than this level and absolutely take over and fly off to the moon. The reason is because you're doing an amazing job of going impulsively to the upside. First of all, up, came down, impulsive move, corrective move, impulsive move, corrective, breakout, and then for the came down for the retest. Again, impulsive move here, came for the correction, made a double bottom and respected the trend line, and then went up, came down. It's going up again, probably come down again, and then go up here to $44. Once you reach here, I do see some little bit of maybe probably you never know, you can actually take off completely. Okay, you could really take off completely, but it's because of this last resistance there and this one right over here. Sorry, this support here, not resistance. That was support right over there, and then you have this looking resistance right over here. So you do have another influence coming up to this place. If somehow you actually do cross this level and you go to $49, come and backtest the $44, there's a good chance you could go up. Now Bitcoin is looking to go to $25, so I highly doubt it's gonna stop here. Maybe you could even pump 25% up to the upside from this entry level, so it can actually go all the way to even $50. Okay, but it's a good idea to actually take some profit from 44.27. I would actually do what's close 80% right over here and then leave 20% for the free fly. If it actually goes up, it goes up. If it actually comes down, just put a stop loss in your entry. And that's it for this update. And I've been giving calls on the signal as well. If you guys want to join it, there's 6 more days to close the signal. Watch the video by the end of the video on how to join. Super cheap, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.